Good morning, everybody. Tomorrow I will come to the French and Germany center at the Pondicherry. I am studying the art of living without food. உணவில்லாமல் வாழும் கலை. I talking about the art of living without food. உணவில்லாமல் வாழும் கலை at the German Art Study Center at the beach, near the beach, EFO Center, I think EFO Center. Who want this program for the water diet and the art of living diet, please, I request you, please call me. I can explain with the cheap cost or free with a phone conversation or a direct conversation. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow at Pondicherry for the உணவில்லாமல் வாழும் கலை. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.